To use the Buy Now Pay Later service with Klarna, start by selecting the items you want to purchase from a participating online retailer. Once you have added the items to your shopping cart, proceed to the checkout page. Look for the Klarna payment option and select it as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website, where you will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and date of birth. This information is used to verify your identity and assess your creditworthiness. Next, you will be presented with the payment options available to you, which may include paying in full, paying in installments, or using a financing option. Choose the payment option that best suits your needs and budget. If you choose to pay in installments, you will be asked to provide your payment card details and agree to the payment schedule. Klarna will then split the total cost of your purchase into the agreed number of payments, which will be automatically deducted from your payment card on the due dates. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can view your payment schedule and track your payments using the Klarna app or website. If you are unable to make a payment, contact Klarna customer service to discuss your options. Before using Klarna, make sure you understand the terms and conditions, including any interest rates or fees that may apply. It is also crucial to only spend what you can afford to repay to avoid accumulating debt. To use Klarna responsibly, set a budget and stick to it, and only use the service for purchases that you can afford to repay. By following these steps and using Klarna responsibly, you can take advantage of the convenience and flexibility of the Buy Now Pay Later service.